How's everyone doing? Welcome back to Replace W-2 Income, brought to you by Zen Investments. Now, in today's video, what we're going to do is a very quick review, I should say, of a toolbar that I really use and I really love it, and it's called Tubebuddy. Now, if you don't know what Tubebuddy is, it's pretty much a browser extension in Chrome, and you can actually use it to actually get your videos ranking more on YouTube. So if you are starting a YouTube channel, if you currently have a YouTube channel, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, this is definitely for you. So what I always like to do in these reviews is I usually go to my blog, replacew2income.com, and I pick a review, as you can see over here. And right now we're on Tubebuddy right here. So that's this article here, this blog. It's really quickly high level. I'm just going to go through it, and then I will show you some of the features of Tubebuddy. So again, this is for you if you want to grow a channel, start a channel. If you already have a channel and you just want to actually polish it up and make it better, this is for you. So again, this is a very, very great tool. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And the awesome thing is Tubebuddy is, as you see here, it's free. It's a free install. So why would you not use this just to test it out? Obviously they have upgrades. You know, if you upgrade, you actually get way more features, but the free version is actually really good as well for you to, at least if you're starting off. If you're more advanced, I do highly recommend one of the paid upgrades. But anyway, there's so much that you can do with Tubebuddy. It's amazing. So again, as you can see, this pro number 1, you can create embedded codes with the full list of options for adding videos or playlists to your website. So you can see here why you need it, because YouTube only gives you some basic options to embed videos and playlists. You can customize the look of your playlist and embed videos, and you don't need to navigate to different areas to get the code you need. So it actually helps you. It's more convenient. Pro number 2 is, again, you could automate the process of copying cards across some or all of your videos. So it kind of gives you a small clip it here of a snapshot where you can see your playlist, and then you have your video, you are here, your custom information teaser. So all that stuff is generated very quickly for you. So why would you need that? Because again, manually adding cards on all your videos can be frustrating and time consuming. So we all know if you're cranking out videos left and right, you don't want to spend time trying to add things manually. It just demotivates you. Then you start to create less content where you should be creating more content. And then when you go through Tubebuddy, just like you see here, it ensures a clean and consistent look all across your videos. So I'm not going to read like every little thing verbatim. I'm just going to kind of skim through these so you actually can see some of the good points of Tubebuddy. Also, you can translate video titles and descriptions to other languages to increase global viewership. So that's really cool, because again, if you speak another language, if you want to actually reach other people across the world, you can have that at least transcribe and translate there. So then you can actually reach more people. So that's pretty awesome if you ask me. Also, you can celebrate your channel success. So as you meet milestones, Tubebuddy can help you do that by generating pretty imagery to where you can share across your social media, and just makes you feel good, because when you start to accomplish things that you set out, you feel really good and it motivates you to keep doing it. Also, you can have research and data to where you monitor YouTube for new videos, playlists, and other channel that uploaded content as maybe your competition or something, and you can track that information as well. Also, there's some really good mobile features as well. So again, these are some basic things you can do on mobile. Almost everything you can do on desktop, right? With our technology nowadays, you could almost do everything on your phone that you could do on an actual computer. So you can actually read through this to see the different things you can do while you're on the go. And then when you come back home, you can polish it up with with a PC or a computer. Also, there's a great community to where if you have questions, concerns, you can get video updates or advice. There's tons of content that Tubebuddy puts out there, just so you can actually learn some things that you maybe did not know. So, and again, it says the bad, I don't really have any cons, to be honest. What I recommend is you try it out for free yourself, because if I have something that's a negative, it may not be a negative to you. So I don't necessarily want to put that, because I really love it. Again, I don't really see any negatives. You may actually have negatives or cons. So why try free? I'll have the link in the description of this video for convenience. You can click on it, install it, and then you can give it a try for free. So again, here's some basic pricing plans. As you see, obviously you have the free version that doesn't cost anything, but then you can upgrade to different versions here, and this will be on the actual website. Obviously you can log and look at this a little more, but you see you get more things as you upgrade and invest more into your business. you will get more features that you can use. So again, no contracts, cancel at any time. So my verdict is it's very legit. I highly recommend it. I use it personally, and you know, here's some thoughts from other people if you guys want to come here and read that. But anyway, so let's go ahead and dive into it just so you guys can see it a little bit more. So here's my back office. It kind of just shows, now this is my other channel. This isn't the one that I'm posting this on. My other channel is called Planet Greens In, which is more of an inspirational, motivational channel. Have this Planet Greens In way longer than this channel. But you can see views, your subscribers, uploads. I mean, you can get deep into demographics, device, region. You have your sidebars over here where you can look at way more information, engagement. So it just helps you start to improve more and more and more. Since I installed TubeBuddy, I started to improve way better, like views went up, subscribers, all that good stuff. And if you want to look at it on YouTube itself, again, this is just a random video on YouTube. And you can look here at the sidebars where you want to focus on as far as this is the TubeBuddy Analytics. Videolytics is what they call it. So again, it shows you how many likes this video has, how many dislikes. It shows you total views. And again, when you click on this, is really helpful because let's say if you see a video that maybe is when you search for a term or a specific topic or something, a keyword, a video that's #1 and it's the same niche that you're in, you can click on that video. Let's just say this was your niche as far as real estate. You click on the video that's ranking #1, then you see the stats here. You can actually how many comments and everything, and then this just helps you structurally be able to do something similar or even so. Channel has 34.6 million views. That's a lot. 110,000 subscribers. This how many likes, uploads. Obviously, you can see best practices. So this is really cool. So you can see some of the things that channel has used with the check mark next to it. If it's an X, that means that they did not use that. So you actually can look at that, hey, and add that to your video. Then you can start to rank better than this video. Here's tags that it used. And again, if you're in a similar niche, you can literally click this copy to button here. See, you can just copy the clipboard or just select the ones you want. You can deselect the ones you don't want. I recommend don't copy every single tag because there may be some that's actually specific to the channel. Like for example, this guy's name is Peter Harris. So you probably don't want to copy that tag because that's for him specifically. So you could copy most of them. You can uncheck that one if you don't want that. But yeah, so this is just a quick review of TubeBuddy. So if you guys install this, a very simple, easy browser install, then you know it's installed. You have this little TubeBuddy icon here when you actually go to YouTube, and you can click on any one of these to go to your account to check out some good stuff. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this quick review on TubeBuddy. So let me know your thoughts. Do you currently use TubeBuddy? Do you like it? What are your thoughts? Are you going to install it? Now, if you do, leave me a comment and let me know that you installed it and let me know what you think of it. Okay, so I'm going to end that here. But again, this is Greg with Replace a W-2 Income, brought to you by Zen Investments. You guys have a great day.